Okay, so here is a video of my vintage Simplex Type-4246-2 fire alarm control panel from 1965. It's been restored, it's fully functional, and this video will be a demo of it, and it'll be working order. So let me plug it in here. We're going to activate it from two different stations. First will be this coated pull station here. It's also made by Simplex Time Recorder Company. And this is a March time code. And we're going to activate this one first. And then we're going to pan over to my right, where we have a non-coded fire alarm pull station, the 4251-20, I believe this is the first generation one. Grab the keys for that once we activate this one. I'm going to go make sure there's no one home here quick before I set this off, so be right back. Okay, so after verifying that I'm home alone, we can now pull the station. This station is going to do 4 rounds of a March timing code. There's a code wheel on the back. Maybe be able to see the mechanism back there. Here's the choa bell for this panel, but the choa bell circuit actually is broken, so we cannot use this bell. I do have it hardwired though to a cord, as you can see right here, that I can just easily plug in. I can easily just plug in. Hold on. The cord's getting stuck on all these stuff. There you go. I can easily just plug in and make it ring. As you can see. Alright, here we go. Alright, here goes nothing. Right there is a Simplex 4050 fire alarm horn. There we go. That should be the last round. That's pretty loud. Now we're going to now activate it on the non-coded power and pull station. We need the key for this one. So, well, damn it. Okay, so this one, once I pull this one, it's just going to do continuous. It's not going to do the March timing code like this one did. It's just going to do straight up continuous. Let me find the key for this. Alright. Here goes nothing. 3, 2, 1. There you have it. The vintage 1965 Simplex 4246-2 fire alarm control panel. Hope you guys enjoy this video.